Hello and welcome to Body by AIM 360 Virtual. My name is Christy Belilovic and we have a program for you. After you have completed your 30 or 60 day plan, we have a monthly membership plan. This will allow you to continue on your weight loss journey or to maintain your weight loss. We have designed the Metabolic Reset Maintenance Plan. In this membership, you get access to the app, so you will continue to get your daily meal plans, recipes, shopping lists, and guides, along with your food tracker. You also get one body composition body pack shipped to you every single month. And in addition to that, at checkout, you can add on nutrition coaching calls if you want to maintain that relationship with your nutrition coach and have that accountability. Click now to continue your weight loss journey at Body by AIM 360.